In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wix website. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside Wix Studio, so you can safely remove a site. First by moving it to the trash, and then permanently deleting it. I'll also point out what each step does, so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Sites page in Wix Studio. This is where all of your projects are listed. Make sure you're looking at the correct workspace and the correct site, because the actions we're about to take affect that specific project. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to double-check the site name and thumbnail so there's no confusion. Next, locate the site you want to delete and open its actions. On the Sites page, select the highlighted option for that site to bring up the menu of available actions. From that menu, choose Move to Trash. This is the safest first step because it removes the site from your active list without immediately erasing it forever. A confirmation will appear asking you to move the site to the trash. Click Move to Trash to proceed. At this point, the site is no longer active and is placed in the trash folder. While it's in trash, you can still change your mind and restore it, so think of this as a soft delete. Now, you'll see an option to go directly to your trash. Click Go to Trash. This takes you to the trash folder, where all recently removed sites are stored for final review. This is helpful if you're cleaning up multiple projects, or if you want to confirm exactly what's pending permanent deletion. Inside the trash, find the same site and select the highlighted option for it again to open the actions. Choose Remove Site. This is the permanent step. Before you continue, pause for a second and be absolutely sure you no longer need the site or any of its content. If you only wanted to take the site offline or tidy up your list, you could leave it in trash instead of removing it permanently. A final confirmation window will appear. Click Remove to permanently delete the site. After this, the site is gone and can't be restored. That's it. The site has been fully removed from your Wix Studio account. To recap, go to your Sites page, move the site to trash, go to the trash folder, and then permanently remove it. As a best practice, consider saving any content you might need before you remove it for good.